Doge Army, are you excited? We're about to take off. We're about to launch. Let's get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Here we go. To the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. Woof, woof. Dogecoin to the moon. Here we go.
Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Deals. Come to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update, guys. We've got a whole bunch of catalysts that is coming out for Dogecoin and the rest of crypto, and we're going to look at some of the huge whale wallets that are still buying up Bitcoin like crazy. We're going to take a look at some TA and some charts, guys, that just point to me that even though things are looking pretty down right now, things are going to be looking up, guys. So remember, this is not crypto. This is not financial advice. This is just the OG in-house expressing his opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. So let's go down the crypto rabbit hole with the OG in the house. Let's get it. So right now we're seeing the pre-markets in the house are looking down, down, and most of that is attributed to Amazon had their earnings were not so good, guys. Looks like Amazon earnings were lower than gone down, and then we haven't seen Amazon's earnings go down this much since the 2020 dot-com bubble, guys. And we're also seeing that Apple's earnings are going down a little bit as well. And the CFO out there, she kind of said that we're going to have a whole supply chain problem, and that caused the Apple stocks to tank about 4% in pre-markets, and that is not good in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the fear and greed. Fear and greed is still unchanged from where it was earlier today. It's still at 23. And buy the fear, guys. Smart money is absolutely buying the fear. I'm going to be showing you some huge whale wallets, and these whale wallets are still buying crypto, still buying the itty bitty baby like crazy out there. So that is huge, and that is great, and we're loving the crypto space. Woo! So boop the like, smash the likes, and show some love in the house, guys. So right now, as I told you in my previous video, we would be seeing that Bitty would be going down, and a lot of that is because we got all these long leverage apes in the house, and they're taking long positions, and the market makers out there are going to be pushing the Bitcoin price down to eliminate and take their liquidity, take your liquidity. So stop leverage trading, stop being a knucklehead, stop being a snowflake out there. If you're leverage trading, you're going to be a loser. Definitely, you can't win against the market makers. The system is primed and ready to take your liquidity, guys, and look out for Hunter Wicks, guys. So we'll be taking a look at the leverage apes in the house as well, guys. So this just coming in. It looks like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin accepted by global retail estate giant. Prepare for a huge comeback for Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. It's just a matter of time. Time. I love it. You love it, guys. So it looks like Jamestown real estate giant has announced the acceptance of Shiba Inu and Bitcoin as a payment through BitPay third-party integration, guys. So this is huge. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are on track to recover from the recent pullback. We've seen that all the meme coins have been going down. We did see that when Elon Musk did buy Twitter, we did see Dogecoin bounce and go up about to 17 cents. It's since then it's kind of retraced and given all those gains up, guys. So we've seen that whole 30% upside. We're seeing most of those gains go down. I wouldn't worry about it too much. We're gonna get back up there, guys. It's just a matter of time. And this is a huge catalyst, not only for the Dogecoin but for the Shiba Inu army out there. Woof, woof, woof. Wow, woo, woo. If you're holding Dogecoin, guys. So let's take a look at the into the block for Dogecoin. Let me give this a minty refresh, guys. So hopefully you guys have a beautiful day out there, and we're going to see the markets, like broader markets, going to be tank, guys. Then that's just absolutely what's going to be happening. So we're seeing right now that Dogecoin is mostly bearish in the house, guys, and we're seeing guys and gals. You love it when I say guys, and and we're seeing that the holders in the money are about 57% of the holders are in the money. The OG is in the money, guys. The OG is absolutely in the money, guys. And I did just pick up some more Bitcoin, guys. I just moments before starting this video, I'm buying some more Bitcoin. So I did buy some more itty bitty baby in the house, guys. Woo! And we're seeing 37% out, guys, of out of profit, guys, losing money, and that's not too bad, guys. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin right now, so we're seeing that Dogecoin has gone down, and it's now trading at 1365. Let's just clean up that chart, guys, so you guys can see here. When we had this big explosion with the Twitter, we were around about 1386. 26. So we've gone down lower than where we were when we had that Dogecoin explosion. So we're still seeing that this whole support line here of around about 1350 is still supporting like a diamond out there. So, the OG, I don't have diamond hands. I've got kryptonite hands, and the kryptonite hands are much stronger than diamonds, guys. So this is the new Crypto Daily Trade Signals new mantra out there. We don't have diamond hands. We have kryptonite hands because kryptonite can take down Superman, and we're super duper investors out there. So you're gonna love it. I love it. So this is just coming in from Benghazi in house. Bitcoin whale moves 3,149 Bitcoin off Coinbase, guys, and this is a transaction here. So you can see right here that this whale, he moved 3,149 Bitcoin. That was worth about $127 million. And then what did he do with that? What did he do with that? Well, what he did with that, and I'm going to show you what he did with that. He basically moved it right here, guys. So we're gonna take a look at that. He moved it here. And let's go. So he moved it from this wallet to this wallet, and that's where it has stayed. And you can still see that he took all that money and he moved it again and again and again. So this guy's been moving a lot of this money around, but he hasn't sold it. So you can see it went right here. So there it goes. Let's see. There it goes. So, it went in and went out. So, he's been moving this wallet around. And if you take a look at the third biggest Bitcoin wallet out there, and this is not Do Kwon's wallet, we can see that, this guy, he's still been buying bitty. So he bought 500 Bitcoin on the 26th. He bought 1,000 Bitcoin worth $39 million on the 28th, guys. So smart money is still buying a bitty, still buying the dips, guys. Buy the fear. What are you waiting for, guys? If you're not buying the fear, then that means you're fearful, and that means you're weak, Nancy. That means you're wet in bed. That means you're running to the hills, dropping your sats for the whales and the sharks out there. So OG's gonna pick up your whales. OG's gonna pick up your Bitcoin, guys. So get it. Don't be a weak Nancy, guys. Don't wet the bed. Remember, this is not financial advice. And don't forget to give super chats. Boop to super chat. Boop it. Give super chats. Boop the likes. Subscribe. Comment like a crazy man. Comment. And you can comment more than once, guys. Did you know that? And also, too, you guys can check out all the links in my videos, guys. And if you go down below, you can see all the links. And now we've got the Doge Tip Jar, guys. Remember, all the tips, all the Patreon memberships, all that stuff, all the merch goes to charity in the house, guys. And that is True Beans in the house, guys. So if we take a look at the Bitcoin monthly return, we're seeing that January was a Debbie Downer, and we were down 16.68%. We're seeing that February we're up 12.21%, and March we were up 5.39%. But so far, April has been hugely disappointing out there. Huge disappointing out there. And we saw that 2020, April was a good month. We did April of 2020 was a Debbie Downer, but we're seeing the majority. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years, and out of the 10 years we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60% of the time, April should be good, and 40% of the time it should be bad. So right now we're in the lower 40% echelon. Let's take a look at May, guys. So out of the 9 years, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've got 4 bad. So, it's anybody's guess, but I'm going to tell you that June and May is going to be huge for crypto, and especially June, guys. June is typically a huge bullish time for the crypto space, guys. So let's take a look at the on-chain data right now, and you'll see that right now the on-chain data, we're seeing that 358 million have left exchanges today, and we're seeing that 117 million have left exchanges today as well. So more itty bitty and more Ethereum is leaving exchanges like crazy, and it's going to diamond hands, kryptonite hands out there, and they're not selling, guys. Even though they're not capitulating, guys. They're not capitulating. Even some of the paper hands have converted to being kryptonite hands, diamond hands, guys, and nobody's giving anything up. We're seeing some people have been moving more Tether onto exchanges, and what that means is that more people are going to be moving Tether onto exchanges so they can buy the dips, guys. Buy the dip. Smart money is buying like crazy out there. And that's what the OG is doing. I'm buying. So you can see that 71% of Bitcoin circulating supply is in the hands of long-term holders, guys. The current prices, this cohort is up 2.9x from their cost basis of 13,000. So it means that whoever bought these biggities, most of the people are up about 2.9x, guys. So that is pretty good news. So majority of long-term holders are sitting comfortably with not a massive incentive to sell out of fear and greed. So you can see that these people, they bought their Bitcoin, the majority of the Bitcoin they bought at about $13,700 in house, as I said. And there's no incentive for these people to be selling, guys. There's absolutely no incentive. I ain't selling any. My biddy is precious to me. I love my biddy. You should love your biddy as well. So but this is a good time to accumulate, guys, before we have the huge explosion to the upside, guys. So you can see here that Bitcoin selling pressure is easing, less profit taking, destruction, and more inactive supply. So as I can say, the inactive supply of Bitcoin is going up, and more Bitcoin is becoming illiquid, guys, and that means there's going to be more and less Bitcoin in exchange. About 4.2 million Bitcoins left on exchanges, and the majority is off exchanges, and it's becoming a scarce commodity out there. Scarce. It's like aliens, guys. Aliens are a scarce commodity, guys, because they're all living at Area 51 out there. Oh yeah, and you can see that Bitcoin extreme bullish momentum shift on the 12 hour. So we're seeing that Bitcoin is going to be making a huge momentum shift to the upside, guys, and this is just a matter of time. Time. Let's take a look at the leverage apes, guys, in the house. Let me give this a minty refresh. So hopefully you guys are having a great day. This is a long weekend here in Vietnam, guys. So this is Vietnam Independence Day on Monday, guys. So the OG's got a long weekend ahead, guys. So right now we're seeing that 252 million traders, apes, got wrecked. And that's about 81,000 people lost their shirt, guys. And when you leverage trade, what happens is when you lose everything. You lose the money, you lose the coins, you're out of there. So let's take a look at the positions. So right now in the 24 hours, seeing 60% longs out there. On the 12 hours, seeing more longs. On the 4 hour, more longs, and on the 1 hour, more longs. So it's going to be a bad weekend. So expect that the itty bitty baby is probably going to be going down to probably around about 37.9 in the house. So we should be probably going down to this level here. So we've got some major support around about this level here. There's some support around here, guys. Around what's going on here? There's some support around this level. No, I'll just adjust it. I'll draw it for you guys and make that line straight. So we've got some support around about that level. Let me get that out of there. Some support around that level. Around about here is some support around about there. And when we get delete this line. So we got some support around here. So expect that biddy could go down to around about the 38.2 level. And we got some good support around 38.2. So don't be surprised, but next week's going to be turnaround. So we're seeing right now we got 2 days and 13 hours left on this red candle. And this week's definitely going to be closing in the red. And we're still being supported. This is still also a doji candle. You can see that on the weekly right now, the market does not know if it wants to go up or down. It's a spinning top, guys. So it's anybody's guess. And, we, like I said, around about 38,000 is the low. And we did go as low as 38,000 this week, 37,733. In fact, just below my horizontal support line. So let me just extend this support line here. So we're definitely in the support zone here. So I'm still not concerned as long as we stay here. It is pretty positive overall, and we're going to see a huge bounce in the summertime, guys. So Ethereum right now is also down. Down. Right now today it's down on the daily. It's down around 2.72%, and it's down at $2,858 in-house. If you take a look at the Phantom right now is broken down to 91.88 in-house, so it's not looking too good, guys. So our next support level for Phantom in the house is going to be around about this area here. So, we have not seen Phantom this low. Last time we saw Phantom this low was back in September, so that is not good. So our next support level is going to be around about, probably around about 50 cents, guys. That's going to be our next support level, around about 50 cents, so about 51 cents. Let me draw that in for you. So that's our next support level. Ouchie. Woo out there. So don't panic too much. I don't think it's going to go it's going to be that alarming in house. But let's keep that line there anyways. So for Solana right now is at 95.83. So Solana is still holding much better than Phantom in house. So that's not too bad. Let's take a look for the Shiba Inu price right now. So Shiba Inu right now, let me just refresh this chart for you. So we're seeing Shiba Inu, as I said, it's got some support about 21.87, and we're still above that. So that is still okay. If we drop below the 21.87, then our next support line is going to be around this area here, which is going to be around about that area here, which is around about the 19 level area. So that's going to be around about that area. Just draw it and I'll adjust it. So that's going to be our next support level. So hopefully you don't go down there. I'm hoping we don't. So let's take a look at the total market cap. It's down at 1.81 trillion. The volumes at 64.52 billion, guys, and the Bitcoin dollars is going up. That's what we don't want to see, that, guys. We absolutely do not want to see that. So if you look at the prices right now, we're seeing most of cryptos are off right now. Everything's down, down. The markets are down about almost 3% right now. Bitcoin is down at 2.39%. And we're seeing also Ethereum is down. So everything is looking pretty bad. It's pretty much a bloodbath out there. So Luna Tuna is down 7%. So Luna Tuna is not doing too good. Solana's not doing too good. Everything's looking pretty bad. Doge is kind of in line with where the market is. But, we're seeing the Avalanche is underperforming right now. It's down 6.35%, 65.78. Seeing the Dottie Watt is underperforming right now. Shiba Inu is just underperforming as well. Matic is down, down. People are panicking, guys. There's so much FUD out there. Do not panic. I'm holding. Worst case, I got to hold to 2025. I ain't concerned. And right now, guys, this is going to bring this video to an end. So please go down there, smash the likes, boot the likes, show some love, subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats, guys. I love it. And follow me on Twitter, guys. Don't forget to check out the links. Don't forget to check out the tipping jar, guys. Appreciate some love, guys. Don't forget to buy the channel coffee and become a Patreon member. And don't forget to check out the Digital Asian NFT collection, guys. OpenSea.io, Digital Asian. Get it. And don't forget to get the merch, guys. Check out the merch. Get the mug, the cap, the back of the backpack. And all this goes to charity. So, guys and gals, don't be discouraged. Don't be disappointed. We're going to get back up there, guys. And a lot of it is because the leverage apes are looking pretty nasty in the house, guys. So that's we got the leverage apes are going long, and the market makers are going to push the Bitcoin price down, down. So don't be surprised if we go as low as 38 or 37.9 in the house. So that's probably what's going to happen. But don't panic. We're going to have a big reversal next week, guys. So this is the OG saying, God bless you. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'll see you in the next one.